John, I leave a message off of the date.
Romeo, just wait on the phone. Hello? Sorry, I got client. Hello? Hello, this be Wendy Woo. I know you're not there, but I miss you. Been a long time since I've seen you rest, and just want to let you know that I'm on my bed with my cheerleader uniform again. And my cheerleader uniform be longing for your wrong body. So give me a ring ding ding back if you need to. That's Wendy Woo, always here for you. Bye.